It's winter time. We decided to go for a barbecue in Mushrif Parks in Dubai. We entered through gate 2 where we can see a lot of queue to enter the park. Enter fee is 10 dirham per vehicle, which we can pay with no card. The park was crowded with people who all came for the barbecue. There is an ambient space for barbecue in Mushrif Park. It is one of the biggest parks in Dubai. We were looking for a location where we can have barbecue with our cousins. In Mushrif Park, we have adventura, swimming pools, football courts, basketball courts, volleyball courts, and lots of kids' play area beyond the barbecue area. It's very greenish here around the Mushrif Park with plants and trees. Now finally, we also got a barbecue hut to do our barbecue. We started bringing our things from our car to the barbecue area. Meanwhile, me, Faizan and Huda started to play in the sand. We were enjoying because we were having an outing after a long time due to the corona days. Hamdam was playing himself and enjoying. We were setting the tent with raw fungal. Now our tent is ready. We started playing together in the tent as it was cold outside. Now our father was setting the charcoals for the grills. It was catching fire very fast. We lighted a campfire near to our tent and the barbecue area. The charcoals are catching up the fire very fast. Was very lively today, and Faizan was helping father and Ralph uncle to set the barbecue. See, our barbecue grills are getting ready. Let's start the chicken tikka on fire. Meantime, we were having samosas. See, our tikkas are getting ready. It looks delicious. Meantime, let's start making our chicken alfam. Our alfams are also getting ready. Now we placed another set of tikkas, which are garlic chicken and tandoori chicken. Meanwhile, we all went to play for some time. Now our chicken tikka and kebabs are ready. It's time for tasting. Wow, it's amazing. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon near the subscribe button for the notification and updates on our next videos. It's Arshan Faizan signing off from Bloomingdale's.